Hi, today I want to talk about the dreaded extinction burst. Ooh, sounds scary, right? Kinda is. So my name is Nikki Morrow with To the Moon and Back Behavioral Consulting, and my job is as a parent coach is to make your lives easier in the day-to-day. So a big thing that I warn my clients about is the extinction burst. What is it? Well, basically, it's a technical term for when behaviors escalate before they get better, right? So, when we're rocking the boat, when we're learning these new strategies and we're trying to implement and set boundaries that we didn't before, and maybe we haven't for years, and our kids are used to getting their way or used to getting a certain response from us when they do something, and that is no longer working for them, well, then what happens? Of course, they try to take it to the nth degree and get a response that way, or they see how far they have to take it to get a response from us, or that same response from us. So that is what an extinction burst is, and I want to let you all know that you need to stay the course. You need to have faith in these strategies, have faith in yourself, and know that there's a light at the end of the tunnel, because your child didn't learn these behaviors overnight, and these changes are probably not going to happen overnight either. You're going to have to stay the course. So, an example that I like to share about this, or an analogy, is when you do your spring cleaning, right? I recently did mine in summer, yes. But I had everything out of the closets. I had stuff piled in this pile and that pile, and it looked like a tornado had hit my house. But in the end result, what happens? Everything looks so much better, and you're in such a much better, peaceful environment. It's kind of the same with parenting and these behavioral strategies. Once you get through and you see the light at the end of the tunnel, there's going to be so much more peace and ease in your day-to-day life that it's going to make everything worth it. So please stay the course, have tons of, faith that this is going to work, and patience with your child, and just know that they're pushing the boundaries. It's going to be expected, and they're doing what kids do. And just make sure that you're consistent, because if you falter, if you give in to that nth degree, then that's a goal for them for the next time that they want something. They're gonna automatically shoot up to that nth degree behavior. And that is just gonna be horrible for both of you and a horrible experience. So stay the course, be strong, expect the extinction burst, and expect the light at the end of the tunnel at the end of it. And I will see you again next week. Take care and have a fabulous day.